Hey everybody, as you can tell, I like videos, so you will get a couple from me just because it's easier for me to talk more quicker. So I just wanted to let you guys know that this month's been going great so far. Thank you to everybody who is working your business. If you have any questions about anything, please reach out to me or your upline, whoever that may be, and get some guidance on what the next steps are you need to be successful. This business is so super easy. I'm not doing anything special. I just reach out to people, ask them to try the products, and as you can see by my face, I wear it. I took the kids out to Chick-fil-A tonight for, it was a family night thing at Chick-fil-A. Free outing, kids, had dinner, played, and I talked to the moms. I passed out about 7 business cards, just introducing people to the product, and only one of those 7 people had ever tried it. So there's still huge potential out there for you guys. You just have to go get it. Like, it's not going to just fall on your lap. Facebook success is great. Some of us are going to be better at that than others, but there's some of us that actually have to get out there and talk to the market. There's people waiting to hear from you. There's some woman who lost her eyelashes from chemo, and she needs these 3D fiber lashes to make her eyes amazing again. There's somebody out there with horrible acne that needs the coverage from our primer and BB cream to make her face flawless again. So you have to extend the opportunity to people in order to grow your business. It's not going to grow with you sitting there looking at your kit, waiting for someone to inbox you on Facebook and say, hey, I want to order $300 worth of products. It's not going to happen. It's just not. Like, I've been in sales for a long time, and it takes a lot of consistent effort to be productive. So you have to get yourself out there. You have to be posting on Facebook at least 2 or 3 times a day if you want someone to purchase products from you. If you don't take your business seriously, no one else is going to take your business seriously. If they don't know that you're a unique presenter, then they're going to go buy it from the girl down the street that is. And if they don't know that you're passionate about these products, then they're not going to be. If they just think it's something you did to get, free makeup or whatever the case may be, well, then that's the same judgment or perception they're going to have of this business. And that's really sad because this money is so easy to make, so easy to make. If you're not someone who likes to sit behind a computer or you don't have time to, then order some mascara, and every time you go to the grocery store or the bank or anywhere, offer it to somebody. Like, it's literally that easily. And I can tell you what I do when I go out. Most times I'll find someone who has their makeup done fairly well, or just in general, and just say, hey, I love your eye makeup. I really think you would love these 3D lashes that I offer. And as soon as you say that to somebody, they're like, huh? 3D lashes? What are you talking about? And it gets their attention. And I just hand them my business card, and I, blink my eyes and shut my eyes and show them the product, and they're intrigued by it. And I say, we have 30 other products that you can choose from. I just random that because I really don't know how many total yet, but there's tons to choose from. So there's not limited to mascara. We have facial washes. We have the new Luminate that come out. They can get 2 different choices for either their dry skin or oily skin. You have the primer, which is fabulous. I don't know if you guys have ever used a primer, but if you haven't, it will change your life about makeup if you start using one. It is awesome. It's like silk on your skin, and it smooths out your flaws, basically. It makes your palette beautiful. It makes it flat. It makes it surfaced. I have really bad skin. Can't see it very well here, but I do. I have scars. I have acne, and it's covered. So anyways, I just wanted to reach out to you guys again. Today is September 9th, and we still have a full month. I mean, we have 21 days, and that's a lot of time. That's 3 full weeks that we can get out here and make some serious cash. And it's not just about, you trying to promote and thinking that you can't, because you can. Just reach out to me, reach out to your sponsor, whoever you want to reach out to, and just ask for some guidance and find out what the next steps are, because it's possible. I haven't been doing this for a year. I've been doing it for a month. And it's possible. If I can do it, anybody can. So, don't be intimidated by the progress of anyone else in this group. myself included, because like I said, I just been consistent. I work the business every single day, sometimes for several hours a day. And some of you I know don't have that time, and I get that. I completely get that. But put in some time, whether it's 30 minutes or 2 hours or, you know, whatever it is. But if you want to make extra money, this business will make you extra money. I have not woke up yet one night or the next morning and not had an email for commissions deposited. Whether it's $7.25 or $40, it's been there every single day. And that's tremendous because I'm never broke. You know, I always have cash if I need gas, if I need, you know, food, if we need, whatever, you know, like it's there. So take advantage of that. It can get you out of a bind if you're in a bind financially. You're selling makeup, you know, women want to hear about it. Women love makeup. So just present it, put it on your face. If you're not sure how to apply it, then there's about 10,000 YouTube videos. I'm going to try to do one for my application because people have asked me 100 times how I put it on so good. So I need to do it. It's just really hard to hold the phone and put makeup on at the same time. So I got to figure that one out. But I do plan on doing that for you guys. So hopefully, you know, I just want you to know that I'm here. And if you need anything, let me know. I want you guys to be successful. I'm not just in this for like short term. This is going to be full time. It is full time for me. You know, I'm working to better me and my children's situation. And I kind of need you guys. You know, you are my team. And whether I recruited you or you signed up under me or you signed up under another presenter or whatever the case may be, you're needed. And I want you to be successful, because if you're not successful, then your sponsors feel like they aren't successful. And it's not, you know, it's not something that we want for you or for us. Again, I'm here for you if you need me. Kelly, nice to meet you. And I'm going to go to a training that Tina's holding, which is my sponsor and you guys' upline sponsor. She's a Green Elite. It's going to be Sunday, so I believe it's going to be recorded, and I hope to bring a lot back from that for you guys if she doesn't record it. So she's going to ask me to speak. Video is one thing, person to person, not a good thing. But anyways, so that's it. If you guys have any questions, again, I know I said that 1,000 times, but I want to hear from you. Like, I want to have my inbox blown up by my team instead of just customers. So I want customers still, but I want to hear from you guys. I want to know what I can do to help improve your successes. I want to know what you need from me to have a commission deposited into your account. It does take effort on your part, so don't expect me to buy something from you, but I can definitely give you some tools and some guidance as far as sales critiques or what I'm doing. I don't mind sharing that with you guys. Nothing fabulous. I just kind of, well, I really leave people alone until they buy something. But I'm not, you know, annoying about it either. So I can share with you how I do that. And just, you know, I am working. I'm about $11 away from 500 PRS this month. Jen's kicking my butt, so that's motivating. It should be motivating for you guys too. You have all of these promotions on the board. I have about $600 in Visa gift cards available for you guys to get. Not only will you get that, but you'll get your commissions that roll in every 3 hours. And then if you promote, you get a pay raise, permanent pay raise. If you get DLO, you jump to 25% and you stay there. You don't move, you don't go down, you stay there. And then you can get your free and your half price items from your parties. If you don't know what I'm talking about, inbox me and I'll explain it all to you. But you're missing out. You really are if you aren't working your business. There's tons of potential and it's so easy, guys. It's so easy. So please let me hear from you. You guys have a great rest of the week, and I know I'll be posting another video soon because, as you can tell, I like to talk and it just comes out easier this way. So have a great night. Good night.